up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's gonna be a very interesting day. CVT headers fit now. We confirmed, we did some test fitting. James's car, which is right here, getting rewrapped on part of his car, he has the headers on as well. So the CVTs work perfectly. I see a lot of comments saying you need a tune, but we confirmed that our tuner, D-Man tuning, you do not need a tune. Because of that, on our car, we had headers before. Then I've been wanting to put some headers on because the car sounds so damn good. Everyone that's pulling out the shot with the header, I'm like, bro, our VB needs it. So today I'm gonna head over to our friends. I'm gonna be actually doing some custom fabrication. What I'm planning to do today is pretty much take these FA20 header, chop it off, chop off our header's flange, and then weld, technically? Yeah, so we're gonna weld this flange onto our headers. And then hopefully everything fits, fingers crossed, and we'll get that rumble. On the last meet, I surprised a lot of you guys, and a lot of people were like actually pretty shook. So thanks for coming to the meet, guys. I'm gonna throw a big fat one. Hopefully end of summer or mid-summer before the, what is it? Daylight saving, because right now by 7 p.m. it's still kind of bright, which is nice. So I don't know, let's see. We'll keep that in the air. But the car looks good. I think it's just missing the header sound. That's all it is. Oh, by the way, we have, if you don't know, we do a lot of exhaust systems for exotic cars now. So here's a SBJ, looks pretty sick. We're actually developing a front lip and some couple arrows. I don't think the car needs arrow, but I don't know. The whole team's working on that. We got full exhaust system and all that good stuff. So if you guys don't know, we came out with some new third brake lights. So these are the honeycomb style. We actually have one on the dub brakes. Let me show you guys. So this is a honeycomb style. If you guys can see the stock, I don't have a stock one. The stock cover has a honeycomb style, but this is kind of protrude, give it that 3D, 4D look. And then it has the sequential startup. So it has like really it's pretty fucking sick. I'll just show you guys real quick. Check this out, ready? 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. That actually looks so sick, guys.
No rapper, I like money and I'm popping it. Hey, it's crosses on my face.
Bro, we're getting poison in here, holy. Bro, is he gonna slide every turn? I think so. Oh no. Holy shit!
All right, guys, we just dropped out the car. The car drives really good, guys. As you can see, I tried to, my foot slipped earlier a couple times, but I'm excited to hear this thing tomorrow. So again, last take of the last sound, and then we'll link back up tomorrow. Hopefully less than Friday latest, but it's Wednesday today, so we'll see. We'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, it is the next day. So the shop actually finished installing the headers. We had some issues with the header. The shape of it is completely different than our unequal length header. So the way to make it work is if I had the actual like a FA24 turbo, right, versus the FA20, which is currently we have on the car. So the shop called me saying we can't do it. I'm like, damn, fuck. So I told them, how about we just cut off the certain pipes on our unequal length headers and weld it on. So because our header is like, because right now it's like this, right? So we cut off I had them cut off the unequal part on our header and weld it on. So I'll show you a picture of what it looks like right now, just for reference, because already on the car, you can't probably won't see it. It might not look the cleanest, but you guys have the idea, right? So worst case, if this doesn't sound good or I'm not satisfied, I'm actually gonna swap the turbo. I'm gonna go a way bigger turbo, because everyone on my reel recently was saying, oh, the car's not blowing up, blah, blah. The car's bulletproof, guys. Like, I don't care what people say, and everyone's hating on us, saying that like it's not all-wheel drive. Like we can't go back to all-wheel drive at any time, but I just feel like for now, for the content that we're doing, I think it's fun. Also guys, keep in mind we have a new fender flare coming out, which is a V3. It's gonna be 8 millimeters stick on, so no more taking off your OEM flare. You just kind of go over it. So for those people that don't want a widened flare, just maybe a little bit for the style, and it'll be much more affordable. Oh, also guys, as you guys see, we have the white wheels on it, which I really love. Our wheels should arriving any day now, our GT3 center lock style. Yeah, let's go pick up the car. I want to hear the car. I'm gonna give you guys some driving clips on the outside, inside. Hopefully, fingers crossed, sounds good. If not, I am gonna go bigger turbo. I already decided this morning when I woke up. I had a dream last night, dead ass. I had a dream last night that the car motor blew on me. It's probably because all the comments I've been reading. It's getting to my head. But other than that, guys, yeah, we're almost there. We're 5 minutes away. If this works out, great. You know, if not, like, I'm literally repeating what I'm saying right now. Alright guys, the car sounds amazing. Me and Jerry got some pulls for you guys, some revving. I'll get more in-depth video. I'll dedicate a video just for sound. Okay, that's gonna be coming in the next 2 weeks. Right in front of you is the wheels that we picked up for the last meet, right? When we surprised everybody with the wheels. I actually took these off because we're waiting for our GT3 wheels, which just arrived. And I went ahead and got the wheels mounted already to save some time. So let's go check it out. Before I move on, for those that want to know the size of these are 18 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. We're running a 255/35 Lexani tires. So these are our drift tires pretty much because they're cheap. They have a lot of tread wear and they're cheap. They're like $400 or $500 for a set. In front of you guys, this is a new GT3 forged. I'm gonna go right into details. So sizing for this one specifically, I have built for RVB, which is an 18.5, 22 offset. So the other one you see on the white one's 35 offset, and we ran spacers. So this is a spacerless setup based on our fitment and our height and everything, okay? I usually, when I talk about wheels, I kind of rush through it, but I wanna spend some time and give you guys some in-depth details about these wheels, okay? So with the GT3 Forge, it has a 5-spoke, as you can see. You got all the engravings and whatnot. There's 2 configurations you can run this wheel. Oh, by the way, check out the concave. So here's one configuration without the center lock. Second configuration, center lock. Okay guys, the wheels are on. As expected, it looks really good because the fitment is dialed in as the way I want it to be. But the front fitment looks good. I think we could get away with another 5 mil if you're pushing it, but damn, looks good guys. It's so dark. I love the dark contrast off the paint. Sheesh. Look at that rear. Damn. It has that little bit of rally look. You know? It's different. I'm gonna conclude the video here because we have 2 famous boys visiting our shop. We have Kevin here and we have Steven. So Kevin, if you don't know, VB boy, oh my God, it's the VB trilogy. Yeah. We have Spams here. If you guys seen this car many times. And then they're actually, Steven's hosting a meet tomorrow. So you're gonna watch the rest of the video on Kevin's channel. Yeah, let's go. So Kevin's be taking the car and then he's gonna give a in-depth review of the VB and then hopefully he doesn't crash it. If you crash, you buy. Okay. Right here on camera. On camera. All right. We shook on it. It's 125 grand for this car. This concludes this video. If you want to continue this vlog series, make sure you hop on to Kevin's channel and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.